This is a wind tunnel that I have made to test how aerodynamic objects are and how the air behaves around them. This is the CAD design of the wind tunnel. Here we have a tube that will help create smooth and laminar airflow. At the aft section, we have a fan to suck the air. At the front, we have an opening where we can place objects of different shapes to check their aerodynamics. This is the real setup. Here we have a clear plastic tube or cylinder. This end is open and at the other end, we have attached a fan. The fan will suck the air from the front end of the tube. Due to this, the flow in the tube will be laminar. A smoke emitter is placed in front of it to visualize the air currents. Here we have placed a cylindrical object in the tube. The fan is sucking air, and we can see the smoke trail swirling around the cylinder and creating vortexes. This is a micro servo motor. It is not at all aerodynamic. Its edges are very rectangular, and via smoke, we can see the turbulent flow of air around the edges. This is a locomotive. Its front, or face is very flat, which creates too much drag, but its wheels are very well covered, and improve its efficiency. The airflow over the wheels is very laminar and smooth, compared to the top and front sections. That's all for now. See you again with more robotic technologies. Robotics every day.